Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on 120Hz on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. Although it should be enabled by default, we can still check in the settings. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the Display section. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called 120Hz output. Make sure this toggle switch is on. In order to see 120Hz when using the Switch 2 in the dock on a TV or monitor, you may need to change the resolution, which can be done above this, as you can only use 120Hz with 1440p or 1080p, so make sure one of these options is chosen. Also, some games may have their own limits for the refresh rate. That's how to turn on 120Hz on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.